Friends, for the measurement of potential difference between 2 points of an electric circuit, we can use voltmeter. With the help of voltmeter, we can measure the potential difference. But that potential difference is not accurate. For the accurate measurement of potential difference, there is a need of an ideal voltmeter. We know that ideal voltmeter it has infinite resistance. Voltmeter cannot design to have an infinite resistance, and therefore we can't measure accurate potential difference with the help of voltmeter because there is a certain current drawn. But when we use a potentiometer, with the help of potentiometer, we can measure accurate potential difference between any 2 points of circuit. What is meant by potentiometer? A potentiometer is a device which does not draw any current from the circuit and it measures potential difference accurately. This potentiometer has infinite resistance and therefore we can measure accurate potential difference with the help of potentiometer. Principle of potentiometer. The potential difference between 2 points on the wire is directly proportional to the length of wire between the 2 points, provided the wire is of uniform cross section, the current through the wire is same, and the temperature of a wire remains constant. If we take uniform cross sectional wire, if current through the wire is a steady current, if temperature is constant, that time potential difference between any 2 points of the wire is directly proportional to length between that 2 points of the wire. If we take 2 points of wire AB, potential difference between these 2 points AB is directly proportional to length between that 2 points. This is the principle of potentiometer. Now, let us draw potentiometer. And for the same, first let me take a wire of uniform cross-section area A. Suppose AB is wire. It is very long wire. And suppose that wire is this. AB. AB is very long wire, but let me draw it in this fold form. Here is a AB, a uniform wire. It having uniform cross-sectional area A. This AB wire has a length L. Now, let us say certain current. Suppose one source of EMF E is connected to this wire of having very small internal resistance R. And suppose it is connected to the point B. Let me take very long AB wire, conducting wire of resistance R. A is the area of cross section, while A is the length of this wire AB. Now, one source of electricity is connected. E is the EMF of that cell. It has very small internal resistance. Let me draw that resistance R. Now, pass certain current through this wire. Suppose current I is flowing through this wire. This wire has a resistance R. Now, potential difference between point AB, it will be written as here potential difference point AB, it is nothing but VAB. Now, this potential difference is written as, according to Ohm's law, it will be current into resistance. VAB is equal to IR. Now, same current will be flowing through this source of electricity, and therefore this EMF is written as EMF E is equal to, this EMF is written as this IR plus this IR. Therefore, current written as current is equal to E upon R plus R. Now, our aim is to find out potential difference between point AB. That potential difference is written as is equal to, it can be written as VAB is equal to R into R. But with value of I, this R, let us put up here. Then the potential difference is written as VAB is equal to E upon R plus R into this R as it is. Now, let me divide this equation by length. Then it is observed that this equation written as potential difference between point AB upon L is equal to this equation as it is E upon L then R plus R. Now, look at this equation. Potential difference per unit length, it is constant because E is the same. E is constant, EMF is constant, and that's why potential difference per unit length is constant. This term is called as potential gradient. This is potential gradient. Potential difference per unit length, it is called as potential gradient. It is constant for this uniform wire, and that potential gradient, it is represented with the symbol K. Now, suppose we have to determine potential difference between two points such that point A and suppose next point C is given. Our aim is to find out potential difference between point AC. Suppose this segment having length is equal to small l. Small l is the length between point A and C. Our aim is to find out VAC. VAC is equal to what? Now, according to the principle of a potentiometer, we know that potential difference between any two points is directly proportional to length between that two points. Means, we can say that potential difference between point AC is equal to this potential gradient as it is into this length L. In this way, we can determine potential difference between any two points by using potentiometer, provided that this wire is uniform cross-sectional area. This wire, through this wire, were to pass steady current. That time, potential difference between any two points is directly proportional to length between that two points. Means we can say that potential difference between point AC is directly proportional to L, or VAC is equal to potential gradient into L.